Good morning guys. Today we make Indian butter chicken. So we make marinade first. This one ginger, garlic paste, coriander. You put coriander also. And we have curd, yogurt, fresh yogurt. 1 kg. 9 kg chicken we put 3 kg, 1 kg yogurt. Turmeric powder. Cumin powder, coriander powder, oil, salt, make marinade. Smoky flavor. So you can see make some So we make Indian butter chicken. Now I put butter. So I put onion. Just saute. Our onion are coming light brown. So I put inside ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. That's more than enough because I already put the marinade chicken. I put already there ginger garlic paste. So I put here only 1 spoon. We mix well here. Guys, the butter flavor are coming. So we put tomatoes. And some cashew nuts for butter chicken. Because I have more chicken, maybe 8 to 9 kg chicken. So I put more cashews, 500 gram. Salt. Little turmeric powder. Mix very well. Of butter more. So I put little coriander. So we have a blender. We blend the butter chicken is ready. So guys, we will start Indian butter chicken. We first make a grill. Mr. Sarbaz. Pan sealed chicken. So guys, you see here we make chicken grill. Please don't make overcook in the grill, okay? You just light 30% chicken, it's cooked. 80% you didn't, 70% you didn't cook, because we put this chicken inside the pan. So we just little for this is amazing. You see the chicken. Smell charcoal. Now we will put chicken. Our butter chicken is ready, my dear. So I close the flame and I put some coriander on the top. I cover it. After 40 minutes, then we will see. So when we will serve our guests, then we will open the pan. So guys, the butter chicken is ready. So how to serve our customer, we will show you. Fresh cream, we put on the top fresh cream, the top. This is the roasted cashew nuts on the top, and put some coriander. You can serve